Echoes of unity, ancient bonds across the continent. Africa. A continent brimming with diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. Yet beneath this beautiful tapestry lies a shared history, a deep-rooted connection that binds us together. From the mighty empires of Egypt and Kush to the kingdoms of Mali and Zimbabwe, our ancestors built civilizations that thrived on innovation, knowledge, and trade. They connected not just through land, but through shared values, beliefs, and a profound understanding of community. This legacy of interconnectedness, of shared origins and aspirations, is the bedrock upon which our future unity can be built. These ancient connections were not mere accidents of geography. They were forged through deliberate efforts to foster communication, collaboration, and exchange. Scholars traveled vast distances, sharing knowledge and wisdom. Artists and artisans drew inspiration from each other, creating a vibrant tapestry of cultural expression that transcended geographical boundaries. This spirit of unity, this recognition of our shared humanity, is a powerful reminder of our potential for collective greatness. Scars of division, forced separations, and enduring injustices. The transatlantic slave trade stands as a horrific chapter in human history, tearing apart families, communities, and an entire continent. Millions of Africans were forcibly removed from their homelands and subjected to slavery. This dispersal and cultural dismantling created deep wounds. The end of slavery did not end our struggles. Colonialism deepened divisions within the diaspora. Our people were divided by artificial borders. The legacy of these injustices is still felt today. Despite challenges, the spirit of our ancestors persists. Their resilience and belief in freedom continue to inspire us. We must acknowledge the past to learn and draw strength for our collective liberation. A tapestry rewoven, Pan-Africanism, and the dream of reunion. Out of the ashes of colonialism rose a powerful movement, Pan-Africanism. This global movement, spearheaded by visionary leaders like Marcus Garvey, Webb Du Bois, and Kwame Nkrumah, reignited the flame of unity among people of African descent worldwide. Recognizing the shared history of oppression and the need for collective action, Pan-Africanism called for solidarity, self-reliance, and the liberation of all African people. Although the formal Pan-African movement faced internal divisions and external pressures, its impact continues to resonate today. The principles of unity, self-determination, and shared destiny remain central to our collective struggle for equality and justice. We see its legacy in the ongoing fight against racial discrimination, in the movements for economic empowerment, and in the growing awareness of our interconnectedness as a global community. Pan-Africanism is more than a historical movement. It is a living philosophy, a call to action that transcends time and space. It is a reminder that our destinies are intertwined, that our liberation is bound together, and that by working together, we can overcome the challenges that lie ahead. Bridges across oceans, shared heritage as a foundation for unity. Reuniting our global community requires more than just acknowledging our shared history. It demands active engagement and a commitment to rebuilding the bridges that were broken. We must embrace our shared heritage, celebrate our cultural diversity, and leverage our collective strength to create a brighter future for all people of African descent. One crucial step is recognizing and embracing our shared ancestry. Through DNA testing, genealogical research, and cultural exchanges, we can trace our roots, reconnect with lost lineages, and deepen our understanding of our collective identity. This process of rediscovering our shared heritage fosters a sense of belonging, breaks down artificial barriers, and paves the way for meaningful connections across geographical boundaries. Beyond ancestry, we share a rich tapestry of cultural and spiritual traditions. From music and dance to storytelling and spirituality, our shared heritage is a source of strength, resilience, and creative expression. By sharing these traditions with each other, we celebrate our diversity, foster cross-cultural understanding, and strengthen the bonds that unite us as a global community. A future forged together, collective power for generations to come. The journey towards unity is not without its challenges. We must confront the legacy of colonialism and slavery, address systemic racism and inequality, and dismantle the structures that continue to divide us. This requires a multifaceted approach, one that encompasses political activism, economic empowerment, and social justice. We must work together to amplify our voices on the global stage, advocating for policies that promote equality, justice, and opportunity for all people of African descent. This includes pushing for reparations for past injustices, dismantling discriminatory systems, and creating a more equitable distribution of resources. Economic empowerment is another crucial aspect of our collective liberation. By supporting Black-owned businesses, investing in our communities, and promoting economic cooperation within the diaspora, we can create wealth, generate opportunities, and build a more equitable future for generations to come. Ultimately, our unity hinges on our ability to address the common struggles that we face as a global community. From combating racism and discrimination to promoting education, healthcare, and economic justice, we must work together to create a world where all people of African descent have the opportunity to thrive.